You see, nature is everything. So today, I decided to delve into this thick underwood and just to sit on these rocks and listen to this sweet air, birds. I just feel peaceful. Hello, beautiful people of the world. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on the time zone from where you're watching this video from. First of all, I'd love to extend my messages of love and peace and a happy new year to you all, my fans and subscribers. And thank God also for the gift of life, the gift of family, uh, the extended family, my parents, my siblings, my cousins, my nephews, my nieces, wherever you are, my friends from here in Kenya and overseas. It's been a good ride. 2024 has been great. We all have ups and downs, but we have to be fighters. We have to stay on the course of positivity. Work hard, care for our loved ones, the people we consider friends, and I hope and pray that 2025 will be better. I know so many people are maybe bedridden, some are in grief, and may our good Lord keep you safe and comforted. This is in Masai Mara once again. I've been here. This is like my home because I work here, I live here, on and off. I come back here. So I shooting this video from the Masai Mara. And this is my first video in 2025. And I just feel great. And because 2024, I had some hitches, challenges here and there. Some I overcame. I think most I overcame them because I didn't succumb to those challenges. I didn't give up. So somehow I started some work about a month ago. So this is going to be like two videos in one, but then the other part of the video will just be a comparison of then and now, because as you can see, I lived for a while in a certain shopping center while doing some construction work, just like manual kind of work and apprenticed of sort, like anything that came my way in the construction area, I did it. And since I didn't have accommodation, I found myself in an unfinished building. Actually, it was meant to be hosting tenants and for commercial purposes. And a friend of mine hooked me up with those guys, and I lived there for a little while. And then a chance came, and now I'm doing doing some work in a certain camp here in the Mara, which is not so far away from here. So I hope that you are well. Keep watching out for more videos this year. Unfortunately, I couldn't post more videos towards the end of December, but now I'm back, I'm around. Make sure you support me in whatever way you can. Check out the videos, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I hope everything works well for you this year. Cheers. So a few weeks ago I moved into this room here. You see the outside, it's like still a construction site. They're building these residential units for the people living in this center, and I chose to be one of the tenants. The reason why I'm living here is that there's some work I'm doing a few kilometers from here, and it's rentable and it's affordable. I mean, it's really cheap, so I'm going to stay here for a little while. There is the outside toilet is still being worked on, but you know, you can take like a bath here. It's just also good for curing of the place. You see the floors and everything. So check out the video. It's been long before I posted a video on this channel, and I thought I should give my fans something. I'm going to head out and this is rainwater which I collected about last night and emptied some in this jerrycan. Plus it's just pretty much for domestic use, cooking, washing and stuff. And then this also dabs up as the bedroom, the kitchen, where there's a little stove there for making some food. There's some plates there, and all is just some shoes. Those are some fresh herbs I picked from nearby. That is tulsi. So closer, those herbs. If you know the holy basil, the wild basil, those are my books. The bag there, and of course the banana grams, that's the game. Those are my rocks of luck. So that's pretty much the inside of that room. That's my house for the moment. There is no electricity, as you can see the wall. Maybe soon there will be electricity. I don't know how soon. That's the window. You see the outside. Yeah, so that's it. It's about to rain and the clouds are laden with rain. It's a raining season, and so this is where I live. This is the hood. So come with me and let's check it out. Really, the park is not so far away, so when you step out of the house, then you have a beautiful view of mountains and trees, and you can even spot wild animals walking around. The window is not yet covered in glasses. This room is still under construction, and I just came in. I'm the first tenant here. Not really simple living, but I just have to stay here for a little while. I'm going to head out for a hike of the mountain. at the back of the house. So big cathedral at the back, the Dominion Church. Tiger. Nataka nipige video na anaogopa. Shout out to you, my brother Fred, my brother Nick, my sister Judy, my everyone in the family, to all my friends, who made calls to me, whom we kept touching base on and off from time to time, checking on each other. I'd like to say that you have to keep the bonds of friendship, keep the bonds of family alive, and always try to reach out when you are having challenges, whether you are facing issues with your job, with your finances, with your relationship, and more so when you are at having a rough patch. Don't ever stay indoors. Don't stay indoors. Don't stay indoors most of the time. You can take a hike around outside. That's where people are. Some people might not know what you're going through. Yes. Yeah, it's better to stay outside. Do a hike on the mountains, maybe go to gatherings, maybe go to church, find a circle of friends, people who you can talk to, just go to marketplaces, walk around, and you don't know what the day brings every single day, because the world, can you imagine the world made up of over 14 billion humans, and we live in the midst of a circle of energies and frequencies. So you might happen to meet someone who will talk to you and motivate you and encourage you, and even offer you an opportunity like a job, a position maybe that will change your mindset, and that way will kill boredom, and then it's possible that you can come out of that bad situation.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stories like I don't already know. You're good. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old.
Inamaanisha nini? Koikai.
Sini ya familia?
Jina ya familia, si ndio? Na haina maana kwa Masai Koikai. Wewe ni kama kwa
As the sun went down and we sat on the rocks, on the thick underwood, and Letepa and Koikai are telling me the stories of their upbringing and the challenges they face as young Masai cattle herders, telling me the names from their tribes, Letepa being born at night and Koikai, and the sun went down.
Jioni anaitwa mwenye amezaliwa jioni anaitwa.
These are memories
Sasa wewe uko class ngapi?
in the beautiful lands of the Masai Mara.
Na nyinyi mmesoma mkiwa wadogo aje?
It's fun to share stories and have a laughter and a smile.
Hata mimi nikiwa class 8 nilikuwa mdogo hivi.
They say the meaning to life is the pursuit of happiness.
Ndio nikakuwa Olodo. Si Olodo ni mrefu? Na Oldorop ni mfupi.
As time went by,
Mimi
I
najua
realized that these are the stories that need to be shared. These are the experiences and memories that need to be kept. Join Steve the Wanderer and watch the videos and marvel at the beauty of the nature. Amazing.
So mmefukuzwa school fees. So mkifukuzwa mnarudi shule after kama wazazi wakipeleka nini ndio mnarudi shule, si ndio? With the growth of rocks, there is a river over to the other side.
Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.